prepare to be blown away. While this looks like an early 1900s photo, it's actually AI generated in Midjourney version 5. The prestigious Sony World Photography Awards announced a stunning winner in their creative category. Elle Dogson's mesmerizing sepia-toned photograph, which showcases two women and goes by the title Pseudomnesia the Electrician, truly stood out among the competition. Do you want to learn how to create images like that? Or generate incredibly realistic skin textures and facial expressions, complete with lighting that has better reflections, flares, and shadows? Check out these images. These aren't real-life photos. And this, you can see the rust from the water stain down the wall, textured concrete, and even crack lines. The details are just amazing. This is the Summer Festival Photoshoot 2022. A Japanese girl in fashion urban wear stands at side of chameleon paint Toyota Super GR body kit 2022 Sony A7 III. Behold a Royal Queen's Guard Mandalorian of the UK. Or it's King's Guard now, right? Comment below. How about a majestic French one? Or a gallant Spanish Mandalorian? Welcome to Who is ML? Let's check out how you can level up your Midjourney game. And if you stick around till the end, I'll show you a quick and easier way to create your Midjourney prompts. Before you begin, you do need a Midjourney account. It's free and easy to create. Click on the search bar and type in Midjourney. Click on the link and it will direct you to the website, where all you have to do is click on Join the Beta. This will then take you to a Discord server. For example, let's type in / imagine macro photograph of an ant with bright iridescent color, orange and green, microbiological art V5. You can really see the details. The ant has these super bright colors that shimmer. The main color is this vibrant emerald green, but there are also pops of orange that add to the overall effect. It is definitely more realistic. And by default, version 5 style is photographic realism. Style is important, so if you desire a more artistic look, you need to tell Midjourney in the style of pop art or illustration and so on. Let's test a floating island with a castle in the sky, and this is what is generated. Not too bad? Now let's be more specific. Let's try a floating island with a castle in the sky in the style of Robert McCall and Jean-Giraud Mobius and Craig Mullins. How about a pop art version? I love this one, very cool. For those without an artistic background, this can be more challenging. So it's best to expand your prompting vocabulary. For example, let's look at different prompt tricks for lighting, such as studio, dramatic, volumetric, or cinematic. Don't worry, I've put a link in the description to help you out. Let's type in portrait of an athlete, dramatic lighting, happy, natural features, AR for aspect ratio 9:16, portrait mode version 5. The dramatic lighting effect on this athlete's portrait creates bold shadows and highlights, emphasizing their strength and determination. With studio lighting in this portrait generation helps to emphasize the athlete's features and create a mood by controlling the direction, intensity, and color of the light. The light source is in front. The image has shadows, highlights, and depth, making the athlete stand out and the photo look professional. This image is the same prompt, but with volumetric lighting. In the left photograph with volumetric lighting effects, the light appears to have a more three-dimensional quality, creating visible beams or rays that pass around the athletes, giving them a sense of depth and space. In contrast, the right photograph with cinematic lighting effect focuses on creating a more dramatic and movie-like atmosphere, using high-contrast lighting, shadows, and carefully placed light sources to emphasize the athlete's expressions and mood, making them appear like characters in a film. I promise to share a quick and easy way to supercharge your prompt engineering, and if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. This method involves using ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, it's free. Type ChatGPT in Google search. Click on Introducing ChatGPT. Launch Try ChatGPT and follow the instructions. The other thing you need is a Chrome extension called AIPRM for ChatGPT. It's free. Once installed and enabled, you want to find the search box and type in Midjourney. You can choose from a variety of pre-configured prompt options such as the photography-themed Journey V5 prompt maker, or the UI mockup prompts for Midjourney V5. These prompts allow you to effortlessly create website concepts with just a single click. I'm going to go ahead and select Midjourney V5 prompts, 6 different styles. Type in whatever you want to create. How about a flying turtle? Click on the send button and it's that easy. 6 different ready-to-go prompts that you can paste into Midjourney. Let's see how they turn out. This is stunning. A true Pixar 3D image of a flying turtle showcasing dazzling colors and lifelike details. I'm just in awe at the power and creativity of Midjourney. How did the other prompts fare? Let's find out. A flying turtle flying over the ocean in a watercolor style. Or this weird-looking flying turtle. The style is a close-up photograph with a 50mm lens. Here's the image in a watercolor style with the city in the background. Or a comic-style superhero turtle with a red cape on a cliff over the sunset sky, exuding a sense of confidence and adventure. The possibilities are infinite. I hope you've elevated your prompt game to create an even more exceptional piece of art. Also, if you're passionate about AI and want to explore other amazing AI image generation tools, you should definitely check out masterlistai.com, a continuously growing collection of outstanding AI tools, and it's free. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest content. This is Who is ML. Thanks for watching. Empower your future with AI. Until next time.